there are going to be crooks in every society. I don't think our society breeds more of them than other societies, but there are people that, for one reason or another, go down the wrong path, and they do that in the business world sometimes. They do it in the investing world, and I think that just because of my background, sometimes I can spot the people that are doing it in the investing world sooner than the authorities end up catching up with them. So there have been times when both Charlie Munger and I have pointed out certain activities that we think are either distasteful or dishonest, or but that will be with us forever. I mean, there's big money in investing, in finance, in business, huge money, and there are various ways to cheat, and people figure out new ones as time goes by, and sometimes the authorities are very slow to catch on to what's going on. There tends to be more of that, I believe, you can't prove it, during bull markets than during ordinary markets. People's morals seem to loosen up as stocks rise rapidly in price, and there's a feeling that kind of anything goes, and that the other guy's doing it, so why shouldn't I? And that was what was going on in the late 60s when I wound up my partnership. There were a lot of people getting very rich by playing games, basically, in stocks, and I didn't like my results being compared with their results. They were going to beat me in the game, and then I didn't want to do what they were doing. So that's one major reason I wound up the partnership. The first time we had our meeting of the Graham Group was in 1968, and when the 11 of us met with Ben Graham, basically we were saying to Ben, how long can this go on? Because there were all kinds of games being played on Wall Street, and the press applauded them, and investors applauded them, and these people were becoming heroes. And basically, they were engaged in creating mirages with accounting. And Ben said it could go on a long time, but it'll come to an end eventually. And of course, that's what happened.